Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to change one of your public lists on X into a private one. Whether you've created a list to follow specific accounts or to organize content for your own use, sometimes you may want to keep that list personal and visible only to you. Making the switch is quick and simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the X app on your mobile device and head straight to the menu. You'll see the familiar menu icon, which looks like 3 stacked lines, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on it to expand your options. From there, select Lists. This is where all of your created and followed lists will appear. It's a central place where you can see what you've organized so far. Next, find the specific list you'd like to make private. This should be one of your currently public lists, and when you tap on it, the list will open, showing all of the accounts and details you've set up. Once inside, look for the option to edit the list. Tap Edit List, and you'll be taken to the settings screen for that list. Now, this is where the change happens. You'll see a toggle option labeled Private. By default, your list might be set to public, which means anyone can view it if they come across it. To switch it, tap the toggle so it turns on. This makes the list private, restricting its visibility to only you. The last step is to save your changes. Once you've toggled the private setting on, make sure to tap Save so the new privacy choice is applied. And that's it. Your list is now private. From now on, no one else will be able to see the accounts on that list, and it will only be accessible when you're logged into your own X account. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference in controlling how you organize and share information on the platform. So the next time you're building or adjusting your lists, remember that you have full control over whether they're visible to everyone or kept completely personal.